Hey guys, got the motor out again because we're gonna try and fix the problem we're having. And here's how we took it out because I didn't show you last time. And so yeah, just give you an update when we fix it. I don't know if we're gonna do something to this or buy the other one. And yeah, I'll just give you guys an update after. And also, it only took like 20-30 minutes to get it out versus like 2 hours last time because we like learned how to do it. Alright, I'm out of breath. I just ran upstairs. See you guys later. Alright, so what we did is my grandpa took a bigger drill bit and made these holes a little bigger so we can move the motor a little bit, and then we just ground that a smidge and chamfered it a little bit. And then he also, over here, this was this had like a lip from where it was wearing and stuff, so we he grinded that down a little bit. So we're gonna be putting it back together now and try it out. So we'll give you guys an update when it's all back together, see if it works or not. Alright, see. Alright, so we were able to move the plates forward that the motor mounts onto, and that seems to have done it. Now it spins real easy, like one finger you can spin it, so it seems like it's good, and it's not spinning the motor, not spinning the motor, so it seems like it's good now. So put it all back together and then test it out. So I haven't cried at all when fixing this, so I don't have any tears into it, but now I got blood, some skin, definitely some sweat. So yeah, I mean, I really hope this thing works once we put it all back together. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, well, for this is like the third or fourth try, but we finally got it. So if you take it out and you let the clutch go, it spins, and then you push the clutch in and you just wait a second, and then it'll stop spinning. Well, it still spins a little bit, but not enough to make it grind, and then it goes into gear perfect, no grinding at all. So we got it fixed now, so now I'm gonna cut the lawn a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys, and got it fixed, so that was nice. Alright, so guys, we just had dinner and then tried it out again, and everything was working good. So we ended up moving the plates forward and all that other stuff we showed you. So now when you got the clutch in, I don't know if I can show you. You can spin it now without, it's hard to show you without having this cover off. But now when you have the clutch in, it spins and it doesn't like grab. It grabs just a very slight amount, but that helps it go into gear. It's not enough where it's like making it grind. So it's like perfect now, and it seems to have helped the slipping issue a little bit, because I just went up over here in second gear and it didn't slip at all. So it seems like everything's fixed now. So pretty happy about that. So yeah, I mean, comment down below if you have any problems with your Cub Cadet, because I'm learning a lot about them. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. This video I think it'll be pretty short. I didn't film too much, but yeah. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.